So, you're about to take your very first international flight. Exciting, right? Trust me, I know how overwhelming airports can seem, but I promise it's way easier when you know exactly what to expect. Let me walk you through it, step by step. First things first, arrive early. I don't mean just a little early, I'm talking 3 to 4 hours before your flight. International flights can have long queues at check-in, immigration, and security. The last thing you want is to miss your flight because you got stuck somewhere in line. Next, let's talk documents. Before you even leave for the airport, make sure you have your passport. Double-check that it's valid for at least 6 months. If you need a visa for your destination, get that sorted in advance too. Don't forget your flight ticket or e-ticket confirmation, and if there are any COVID or health documents required, have those ready as well. Keeping everything in a small folder or pouch will save you a ton of stress later. Now, once you arrive at the airport, check those big flight information screens. They'll tell you exactly which counter belongs to your airline and where to go. Head over to that counter. At the check-in counter, you'll hand over your passport and your ticket or booking reference. This is also where you drop off your checked luggage, so make sure your bags aren't overweight. The staff will print out your boarding pass, tag your bags, and hand back your documents. Easy. After that, it's time for immigration, also called passport control. Show your passport, visa, if you have one, and your boarding pass. The immigration officer might ask a couple of simple questions: why you're traveling, where you're going, that sort of thing. Just answer honestly. They'll stamp your passport and you're good to go. Next up, security check. Here you'll need to put your hand luggage, electronics, belt, and any metal items into the trays. Walk through the scanner, wait for your stuff on the other side, and you're almost there. Now, find your departure gate. Check your boarding pass, or look at the screens to find the right gate number. I always try to be at the gate at least 45 minutes before departure, because boarding usually starts about 30-45 minutes before takeoff. One last tip, many airlines let you check in online 24 to 48 hours before your flight. You can pick your seat and get a mobile boarding pass, so at the airport, you just drop your bag at the counter and breeze through. So there you have it, the step-by-step for your first international flight. Travel safe and enjoy every moment.